Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a travel booking website in WordPress. For this, firstly we need to go to the appearance, then theme to add new theme. Click on upload theme and choose file. For choosing your file, select the exact zip file of Tripfery. Then click on install now. After installing, click on activate and then you will get instantly a bunch list of required plugins to begin the installation. So select all the plugins to install and then apply. While you are done, click on return to required plugins installer and then again select all of them to activate. Now click on apply. After that, go to the return to the dashboard and then tools. Next, demo contact install. You will get several predefined layouts for this. You can select and install any one from them. Click on install and keep some patience for completing your installation. It will take a few seconds for this. Here it is, the ultimate travel and tour booking WordPress theme. This is a professional WordPress theme for any kind of project like hotel, tour, activity rental, car, restaurants, etc. Tripfery is created to meet the diverse needs of travel agency, tour operators, and adventure enthusiasts. Tripfery combines stunning design with robust functionality. Now let's customize the theme. For this, go to the appearance. Click on Customize and open a new tab for this. This is the interface of it. Now let's click on the General. For theme logo, you can select any one according to your requirement. Then click on Change File for saving your logo. Now for theme control, you can enable or disable back to top arrow and the preloader as well. Now let's go to the theme general for next. Here you can change and set your email address, your phone number, and also your address. After theme general, next go to the header. To change the header at the very top, click on this option to enable or disable. While you are done for your header customization, let's go to the bottom for your footer customization. Click on this. Here you will get some several footer layouts, and along with it you will get some other options for your further customization. Now click on Publish to save your changes. Let's visit it to see our customization. Now let's edit with Elementor. This is the interface of it. Let's start with heading. For your heading, from here you can set and provide your title. After that, choose the categories and the display menu like locations, check-in, check-out, guest number. And for this style, you will get some several options to select. Test one by one and select any one from these. For next, click on Add Item to set the responsive columns number. You can select your column number as per your needs. Next, go ahead for your image. Then set your layouts and fix the alignment. Then for your social icons, you can add or change your icons from here. Lastly, click on Update to save all of your customization. Now let's visit it to see our modification. Here it is. This is the process you can easily create a travel booking website in WordPress. Thank you for staying with us.